Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to bring you a review of the Dashcam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440P front dash camera for cars by E-YEEGER. This amazing car camera is equipped with advanced star-vis sensor and 6-glass lens, capturing every detail of your drive and ultra-clear 2560 1440p resolution, providing 70% higher pixels than 1080p. With its front 160 wide angle, it reduces blind spots and covers 4 lanes easily, ensuring your safety on the road. But that's not all. This dash cam also comes with a smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to get real-time live stream, convenient to preview, download videos, change setting, and share footage with family or friends through social platforms. It's the perfect dashcam for cars, truck, SUV, and makes it easier to provide evidence when it comes to insurance claims. E-YEEGER car camera also boasts safe and mini design, with heat-resistance chipset and aluminum alloy shell, ensuring a longer lifespan and stable performance. The mini and hidden design won't block your view while driving, maximizing safety for you and your car. And if that's not enough, it also features seamless loop recording G sensor, ensuring that the oldest unlocked file is overwritten when the card is full. Triggered by the G sensor, the dash cam front will automatically detect sudden vibrations or shock and lock the video without being overwritten, providing you with peace of mind on the road. And let's not forget the 24H parking time-lapse feature. With the hardwire kit, a SIN B0BZV58J37 not included, this Wi-Fi dashcam will auto-switch to parking mode while your car is parked, ensuring your car is under surveillance round the clock. The 24H time-lapse mode keeps recording continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate, protecting your vehicle from theft or vandalism. And the best part? It comes with a free 32G South Dakota card and supports a max 256G memory. Plus, it's backed by a 1-year warranty and 45 days full refund. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your car's safety with the Dashcam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera for cars by E-YEEGER. Check the link in the description to get yours today.